Hi there and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about the top 4 profitable side hustles for people over the age of 50. So if you are over 50, this video is made for you to show you how you can actually boost your financial income. Many seasoned individuals out there are turning to side hustles in an effort to improve their financial independence, or maybe just to keep their mind sharp. Now you might be asking, but now why now? Is it too late? And let me just tell you, a lot is happening within the job market, within the economy. And the truth is, at your age, at this golden age, there might be so much of knowledge, expertise that you will have. And this might be high in demand in the marketplace. So why not leverage that opportunity? In other words, what I'm saying, it's never too late to dream a new dream or chase a new goal. So let's check out these 4 profitable side hustles. Okay, so the first side hustle number 1 is consulting businesses for over 50s. This is where you can use your expertise. By the way, we are at my website, rupeshgavin.com. So I have written the full article here. So if you miss out on anything, feel free to click on the link in the video description if you want to read the full article. So side hustle number 1, consulting. Now you've got years, maybe even decades of hard-earned expertise in your field, and it's time that this expertise can pay off, literally. Now, why consulting is a good idea? Well, first of all, valuable expertise. You've likely spent decades honing in your skills and overcoming various challenges with whatever field you've been doing, and therefore this accumulated wisdom can translate into valuable insights and practical solutions that can help out businesses. Consulting will also give you flexibility. So you can actually have a work schedule around your life. You can choose projects that align with your interests and your availability. Of course, it's going to give you financial independence because you'll be able to build your own successful consulting practice, and can provide you with that financial security and allow you to supplement your income, or maybe even replace it completely. Now, the process here is, first of all, you have to identify who your audience is. Now, this is always dependent on what it is that your interest and your passion are. And depending on that, then that's what you specialize in, and your expertise, you can build a consulting business around that. Now, I have put an example on my website. Let's just say if you have experience in marketing and passion for sustainability. So your niche could be sustainable marketing consulting, right? And then obviously once you found out your topic or who your audience is going to be, you just have to do research then, and then find out who needs your expertise, and then it's all about making it official. Now you can say, I leverage my 20 years plus experience in sustainable marketing to help businesses develop and execute eco-friendly marketing strategies that have demonstrably increased brand awareness and customer engagement by so much. So that's the sort of experience that you can tell your clients. Now, the cool part is there's a lot of other examples about starting consulting businesses for people over 50. You don't have to necessarily go into marketing. You can go into, sustainable marketing. You can go into human resources, where you can offer expertise in recruitment, training, finance, where you can provide consulting services on financial planning, investment strategies, marketing. If you have been in a marketing environment, then you can assist people with plans, content creation, social media strategies. Sales, you can offer coaching and training, and then business technology. Okay, so the side hustle number 2 is, of course, teaching and coaching. Now, with teaching and coaching, it offers a world of opportunity for you to actually tap into your wisdom and help the eager learners from across the world. You can talk about maybe academic subjects or your professional skills or even life lessons. But the point is, there's a lot of things that you can actually share your wisdom with to these learners. Okay, so why do coaching or teaching? Well, here's it. First of all, you have unmatched experience, that years of life and professional experience that you've gained. It's going to equip you with insight and wisdom that the learners are going to be definitely looking for. Then, of course, you also got flexibility where you can actually choose the schedule that will suit your lifestyle, or even the format, the schedule that will suit your lifestyle. And then the thing is, it will allow you to be full of personal fulfillment. Imagine you imparting that wisdom to students and you see them grow and you see them become success. It will fill you up with a sense of purpose, and I guess it's something that money can't buy. Now there's so many platforms out there you can check out, like tutor.com or VIPkid.com, Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare. So like I said, there's a lot of formats and schedules that you can choose from. And before I leave also on this section, you can also tap into the area of life coaching, or maybe you can do career development, or you can even help your students with personal finance. So there's a lot of topics that you can choose with regards to coaching and teaching. Tree is all about freelancing, where you have flexible opportunities in a range of industries. So here, the benefits of freelancing for over 50s is once again, you have a lot of experience, decades of professional experience that makes you a valuable asset in the freelance marketplace. So your accumulated wisdom and your proven track record can be highly sought after by businesses that want that specific expertise. Flexibility also, yeah, it allows you to control your workload, your schedule. Remember, as a freelancer, you choose the gigs that you want to do. So it's ideal if you have a work-life balance and you want to pursue personal ventures alongside your work, so you don't have the constraints of a traditional job. And yeah, also you're also going to have continuous learning and growth, because yeah, you're going to be exposed to diverse projects and clients. It's going to keep you on top of your toes and offer you opportunities to learn new stuff, right? So now, examples of freelance work for folks over 50, you have writing and editing, where you can leverage your writing and your editing skills to create maybe a website, content, or blog posts and articles. And you can also do marketing and consulting, where you can offer your marketing expertise to businesses, assisting them with developing various marketing plans. Also, graphic design and web development, where you can actually put your design and development skills to use by creating logos, designing websites. Virtual assistants, that's another common freelancing side hustle, where it provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to businesses remotely. So that is side hustle number 3. All right, so now we've come to the final side hustle number 4, which is affiliate marketing. Now, don't be afraid if you're hearing the term marketing. You don't have to be an expert to be an affiliate marketer. In fact, it's not more about selling, it's more about building relationships with people and recommending products and services that you yourself believe in or you have an interest in. Affiliate marketing, you're simply earning a commission for recommending other people's products or services, right? So why affiliate marketing will be a good option for folks over 50 years. First of all, it's a low barrier to entry. You need a minimal upfront investment to get started, but it won't break the bank. You need some training on how to build an affiliate marketing business, because remember, you're going to be promoting your products via maybe a website or blog or social media channel. So you need some good training. And if you want to get started, you can actually get started for free to see what it's all about before you jump all in. So click on the link in the video description for my number 1 recommended affiliate marketing training platform. There's a lot of people in that community, so you'll be welcome there and you can see for yourself if this is the right thing you want to do. The second thing is that it also offers you flexibility. You just need an internet connection and you need a computer to get started. You can get started right away and you can work in your own free time. So it's perfect if you want to have a work-life balance. And the third thing is that you get to share your passions. Like I said earlier on, it's all about recommending products or services that you believe in. Like for instance, maybe you have a hobby or you have a passion. you're going to be recommending products along those niches. So it's just like maybe just having a business based on something that you love to do. So to summarize, with affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right topic or niche. Then you just got to learn on how to build your source. It can be maybe a website or your social media channel. Then you got to learn on how to get people to come see it. And then once they've seen that you offer them valuable help, valuable content, and you offer them good recommendations, they will simply click on your affiliate link and you earn a commission. Now I want to give you some examples of great affiliate marketing businesses that you can get started with. Okay, so here are some examples. First one is food and cooking enthusiasts. So here you can share recipes, cooking tips, and kitchen gadget reviews while promoting relevant affiliate links for maybe cookware or ingredients or meal delivery services. So that's if you want to tap into the food and cooking business industry. Travel bloggers. Now, if you love to travel, then you can document your travel experiences. And then obviously there are a lot of travel agents that are affiliate networks that you can actually sign up with. And when somebody books a travel experience, you get a cut from the commission. From the what they paid. You can recommend hotels, airlines, tour companies through affiliate links, fitness and wellness advocates. You can share workout routines, healthy recipes, product reviews, promote fitness equipment, apparel, or even nutritional supplements through affiliate links. These are just 3 examples. And there you have it. Those are the profitable side hustles for people over 50. You can share your wisdom in your coaching and consulting business. You can utilize your skills and go ahead and open up a freelancing business, or you can turn your passions into profits with your own online affiliate marketing business. It's really up to you. It starts with you identifying your strengths. Don't be afraid to learn new things, and along your way build genuine connections. Having said it, if you are ready to get started with your own online affiliate marketing business, feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. It's in the video description below this video. And if you sign up today, I will also be there to welcome you to the platform and to show you around if there is something that you would like to try out. Thanks so very much for joining me on this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will get back to you. And one last note, I want to wish you everything of the best, not only in your success in following any of these side hustles, but also in your golden years. Take care of your health and wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.